We request everyone to settle down. Today, as we gather in this hall of scholarship, we do not merely confer degrees. We celebrate character, resilience, and the quiet determination that has shaped each graduate's journey. This occasion bears testimony to the collective efforts of visionary leaders, dedicated educators, supportive families, and diligent students who together uphold the sanctity and spirit of this institution. The academic procession represents continuity of learning across generations, the guardianship of wisdom, and the enduring strength of an institution built on tradition, integrity, and purpose. It reminds us that while individuals graduate, the pursuit of knowledge remains eternal.
A warm welcome to everyone to the 6th convocation ceremony of Dr. D.Y. Patil B School, celebrating the batch 2023-25 PGDM. Today marks a defining milestone, a moment where structural learning gives way to a purposeful leadership, accountability, and contribution to society. We begin this solemn ceremony by honoring our nation. The national anthem reflects unity, pride, and the shared value that bind us together. May I request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय
Thank you. Please be seated.
Education finds its fullest expression when intellect and creativity move together. To set a respectful, reflective, and a graceful tone for today's convocation, we represent a cultural invocation celebrating rhythm, expression, and harmony. As our tradition reminds us, Sangeetam Jeevanasya Atma, music is the soul of life. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now invite the students of Dr. D.Y. Patil B School to take the stage with their musical performance.
Hello, check.
Thank you.
Thanks for that beautiful performance of faculty and students. Thank you, Navneet Jain sir, Vishal ji, Ajay Thorat, Archit Agarwal, Varadraj Bhosle, Mangesh Joshi, and Vedang Joshi. That was truly wonderful and a true cultural performance. To bless this occasion, we present a cultural dance performance that promises to be a celebration of rhythm, grace, and divine. This presentation is a testament to the Institute's commitment to holistic education, incorporating art and culture into academics. May I now invite students of Dr. D.Y. Patil B School to grace the stage with their dance performance.
गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची उटी कुंकुम केशरा हिरे जडिता मुकुट शोभतो बरा झुणझुणती नुपुरे चरणी आगर्या जय देव 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 जय देव
कृतत्ताण लंबोदर कृतत्ताण विघ्नेश्वर कृतत्ताण धनद वेकिट कनक वेकिट कनक वेकिट कृतत्ताण धनद वेकिट कनक वेकिट कृतत्ताण 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 जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव 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 जय देव
That was a beautiful performance. Thank you so much, Saili ma'am, Priya Soni, Neelam Verma, Spriha Mishra, Ashwati Shibu, Akanksha Singh, and Janvi ji for the mesmerizing performance. It was truly a feast for the senses.
In the Indian tradition, Atithi Devo Bhava, the guest is revered as divine. May I request Dr. Raja Roy Chaudhary, Director Dr. D.Y. Patil B School, to formally escort our esteemed dignitaries on the dais.
Can we have a big round of applause for all our dignitaries? all dignitaries. Light symbolizes knowledge, clarity, and awakening. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, lead us from darkness to light. We now invite all our distinguished dignitaries to light the ceremonial lamp and invoke the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, the embodiment of wisdom and learning.
सदृश पवित्र में विद्यते. Nothing purifies the mind like knowledge. We request our dignitaries to water the tulsi plant. Tulsi plant symbolizes nurturing of values, responsibility, sustainability, and growth, which is the true purpose of education.
It marks the completion of learning and intellectual preservance and the transition from the sheltered corridors of academia to the greater responsibilities of professional and societal life, and the renewal of a lifelong commitment to knowledge, ethics, and excellence. The nurturing of values, responsibility, sustainability, and growth, the true purpose of education.
It is an honor to begin the felicitation ceremony. We request Dr. Sobnath Patil Sir, Secretary Dr. D.Y. Patil Unitech Society and Pro-Chancellor Nyan Prasad Global University to felicitate our chief guest, Mr. Ashish Vidyarthi.
Can we have a big round of applause? Mr. Ashish Vidyarthi, chief guest of the occasion today. Next, we request Honorable Dr. Rohini Somnath Patil Ma'am, Treasurer Dr. D.Y. Patil Unitech Society and Chief Operating Officer Nyan Prasad Global University to felicitate our guest of honor, Dr. Raj Singh. Can we have a big round of applause for the guest of honor, Dr. Raj Singh. forward, we request our director. Yes, we can continue the clapping for the guest of honor, Dr. Raj Singh. Moving forward, we request our director, Dr. Raja Roy Chaudhary, sir, for the felicitation of the inspiring leader, Honorable Dr. Bhagyashree P. Patil, ma'am, Vice President, Dr. D.Y. Patil, Unitech Society, and Chancellor, Gyan Prasad Global University. Sir, we also request you to honor Honorable Dr. Somnath Patil, sir, Secretary Dr. D.Y. Patil, Unitech Society, and Pro-Chancellor, Gyan Prasad Global University.
We request Dr. Raja Roy Chaudhary, sir, to felicitate Honorable Dr. Rohini Patil, madam, Treasurer, Dr. D.Y. Patil, Unitech Society, Chief Operating Officer, Gyan Prasad Global University.
Thank you, sir.
We request Dr. Raja Roy Chaudhary, sir, to felicitate Dr. Mohan Vaman, Vice Chancellor, Gyan Prasad Global University.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now respectfully invite Honorable Dr. Bhagyashree P. Patil, ma'am, Vice President, Dr. D.Y. Patil, Unitech Society, and Chancellor, Gyan Prasad Global University, to formally declare the convocation open. Can we please have the mic for ma'am?
I declare the convocation of D.Y. Patil School, B School, Pimpri, Pune open.
Thank you, ma'am.
Institutions are shaped not merely by infrastructure or programs, but by the clarity of thought and the depth of leadership that guides them. It is my privilege to introduce Dr. Raja Roy Chaudhary, Director, Dr. D.Y. Patil B School, a scholar with dual doctoral degree in economics and psychology and advanced certifications from Harvard and Yale universities. Dr. Chaudhary brings over 3 decades of experience across academia, global consulting, executive coaching, and institutional leadership. His journey in leadership spans into roles in IIM Mumbai, IIT Madras, SP Jain Institute of Management and Research, globally connected business schools, along with extensive consulting engagement across India and abroad. Under Sir's stewardship, the Institute continues to emphasize critical thinking, ethical leadership, and real-world relevance. May I invite Dr. Raja Roy Chaudhary to deliver the welcome address and present Director's report. Over to you, sir.
Esteemed Chief Guest Ashish Vidyarthi ji, Guest of Honor Dr. Raj Singh, our guiding light, Honorable Dr. Bhagyashree Patil ma'am, our Chief Patrons, Dr. Somnath Patil sir, Dr. Rohini Patil ma'am, our respected Vice Chancellor of DPGU, Dr. Mohan Vaman sir, distinguished members of our institution, invited guests, faculty, staff, proud parents, and my dear graduating students of the PGDM batch 2023-25. Good afternoon and warm greetings to all of you. Today is a moment of pride, purpose, and promise. As we gather for the 6th convocation ceremony, we celebrate not only the successful completion of an academic journey, but also the beginning of a professional and personal transformation of all the graduates. Convocation is not just about receiving a certificate. It is a formal recognition of your readiness to take responsibilities. Responsibility towards your own organization, responsibility towards your society, responsibly towards ethical and sustainable decision-making. The degree you receive today is just a symbol of trust. Trust that you will use your knowledge discreetly, wisely, and your power responsibly. It is with immense pride and profound joy I present the Director's report on this momentous occasion. Point number one, it has been a journey of excellence and transformation. The batch of 23-25 embarked on their transformative two-year journey under the guiding vision of Dr. D.Y. Patil B School, aiming to create ethical, industry-ready, and globally aware management leaders of tomorrow. Our curriculum, which integrates the progressive mandates of the new education policy and is endorsed by industry experts, focuses on a robust learning model, focusing on holistic development of the students, ensuring that our students are adept in emerging areas like business analytics, digital marketing, and financial technologies. Point number two, academic program highlights. Our academic rigor of the PGDM program was upheld through innovative pedagogy, which included industry-driven curriculum, corporate interface, research and innovation, global exposure. Our PGDM students were 358 in number. The number of students who passed with distinction were 248. Number of students with first class, 83. Number of students graduating from each specialization in marketing, 173. Finance, 130. HRM, 21. Analytics, 6. The notable achievements and recognition during this time frame, the efforts of our faculty and the progress of the institution have been recognized on national platforms during this period. For example, when you consider the Times B School rankings, we were voted the 6th among the top 20 B schools of the Western Zone in India, 11th among the top 50 private institutes in India, 16th among the top 100 B schools in India, and 22nd among the top 50 institutions for placements in India. We were ranked 5th, 8th in the zone, and 13th nationally among the best schools by overall ranking by IIRF. We were ranked 2nd in state, 9th in national, among the best schools in the private category for PGDM General by IIRF. We were ranked 1st in the zone, 1st in state, and 3rd in the nation among the top 25 fastest growing best schools, private category in IIRF. And we achieved an 8th position in the weak B Schools All India ranking. Among the various awards and accolades which we won during this time frame, the Business School of the Year 2024 by APETA, B School of the Year for Employability by ZIBA, IIRF Education Impact Award 2025, awarded for providing holistic education by Education Research and Development Association in 2024, Best BB Brand for the year 2025 by Board of IIRF ranking, Best PGDM Institute in Western Zone for placements by CEJAR, New Delhi. The placements are a testimony to our endeavor for the last so many years since inception in helping students achieve great merit in the industry. The placement ratio had been approximately 82%, highest CTC 17 lakhs, average CTC 7 lakhs, and total companies visited over 525. Top recruiters, Federal Bank, Markets and Markets, Deloitte, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Daimler India Commercial Vehicles, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Tata Consulting Services, Yes Securities, Flipkart, Equity Knowledge Partners, Mazars, Accenture, eClerx, Wipro, South Indian Bank, et al. These figures are a strong testament to the industry relevance of our PGDM program and the exceptional talent pool of our graduating students. Industry expectations. The industry today does not look for degree holders. It looks for problem solvers, data-driven thinkers, agile learners, collaborative leaders, digitally aware managers. You have been trained to think analytically, communicate effectively, act strategically, continue to upgrade yourself continuously, because learning does not end with convocation. It only changes its classroom. In the world you are entering, skills may get you hired, but values and virtues will determine how far you go. So remember, integrity is not optional, ethics is not situational, and leadership is not positional. To all the parents and guardians present here, thank you for trusting us with your children. Your support, your patience, your belief have been instrumental in their success. Today's achievement belongs as much to you as it does to all of them. Finally, to the graduating batch of 2023-25, today marks the culmination of your efforts and the beginning of your professional life. Carry forward the values of integrity, innovation, and social responsibility ingrained in you at the B School. Carry the name of this institution with pride and responsibility wherever you go. Let your word speak of the values you learned here. The world awaits your leadership. Go forth and make your mark. Congratulations once again to the batch of 2023-25. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful and motivating speech.
We now have the honor of introducing Dr. Mohan Vaman, Vice Chancellor, Gyan Prasad Global University, a distinguished academic leader and an accomplished botanist with over 3 decades of experience in higher education, research, and institutional leadership. Sir holds a PhD in botany from Savitribai Phule Pune University and is widely recognized for his work in plant taxonomy, ethnobotany, and biodiversity conservation. His academic career includes leadership roles as head of the department and principal. Associated with Savitribai Phule Pune University, Dr. Vaman has contributed extensively through service on key academic and statutory bodies, strengthening research, culture, curriculum development, and quality initiatives. A committed scholar and mentor, he has published extensively and represented India at international academic forums. Through his leadership at Gyan Prasad Global University, he continues to strengthen academic excellence, research, and community engagement. Sir, we respectfully invite you to address the gathering. Dr. Mohan Vaman.
Honorable Dr. Bhagyasri Tai Patil, Chancellor of Gyan Prasad Global University, Honorable Dr. Somnath Patil Sir, Pro-Chancellor, Gyan Prasad Global University, Honorable Dr. Rohini Patil, Chief Operating Officer, Gyan Prasad Global University, today's Chief Guest, Mr. Ashish Sir, Honorable Dr. Raj Singh, my colleagues, Dr. Dheeraj Agarwal, Pro-Chancellor of Gyan Prasad Global University, Dr. Ranjit Patil Sir, Dr. Pradyum Rathod, all the family dignitaries of the D.Y. Patil, Bhavalkar Sir, Suryakar Sir, and dear friends. The members from the faculty of D.Y. Patil, proud parents, and my dear graduating class of 2023 to 25 from D.Y. Patil B School. Very good afternoon to one and all. Today is not merely conclusion of your PGDM program. It is a commencement of your leadership journey at the esteemed institution. Ranking among the top B schools of the West Zone, you have built strong foundation of management, disciplines, through the presence of discipline and intellectual rigor. As you step into the professional world, remember that India stands at the thousands of unprecedented growth. The opportunities before you demand innovation, ethical leadership, and lifelong learning. Let integrity to be your compass. Purpose your strength and reliance your identity. Believe deeply that every challenge carries the seeds of opportunity. Turn impossible into I am possible. As a Vice Chancellor of Jnana Prasad Global University, I have seen young leaders like you transfer organization, service, society, and distinction. Lead with humanity, uplift others, and always give back to the institution and value that shapes you. The future awaits your vision and encourage. Step forward with confidence and make it as us proud. Congratulations and my best wishes to batch of 2023-25. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That was really inspiring. Thank you so much for your insightful guidance. सच्चा नेतृत्व केवल संस्थानों का निर्माण नहीं करता, बल्कि मूल्यों की ऐसी विरासत छोड़ता है जो पीढ़ियों तक मार्गदर्शन करती है। दूरदृष्टि, करुणा और संकल्प के साथ किया गया नेतृत्व ही समाज को स्थायी दिशा प्रदान करता है। Ladies and gentlemen, true leadership leaves a legacy that extends far beyond institutions. Honorable Dr. Bhagyashree P. Patil Ma'am, Vice President Dr. D.Y. Patil Unitech Society and Chancellor Jnana Prasad Global University is a distinguished educationist whose leadership reflects a rare balance of vision, compassion, and institutional foresight. Her work spans higher education, healthcare, biotechnology, and social development with a strong and consistent emphasis on inclusive growth and women empowerment. Under her guidance, educational institutions have evolved not merely as instructions but as ecosystems that nurture character, competence, and civic responsibility. She has been instrumental in strengthening academic governance, promoting interdisciplinary learning, and encouraging innovation-driving education aligned with global standards while remaining rooted in Indian values. For students graduating today, her journey stands as a reminder that education carries a larger purpose. To contribute meaningfully to society, ma'am, we are deeply honored by your presence, and I respectfully invite you to share your thoughts with our graduating class.
Happy afternoon to all of you. Our today's chief guest, Mr. Ashish Vidyarthi sir. Guest of honor, Dr. Raj Singh, Vice Chancellor, Bennett University. Dr. Somnath Patil, Pro-Chancellor, DPGU. Dr. Mohan Vaman, Vice Chancellor, DPGU. Dr. Rohini Patil, Chief Operating Officer, DPGU. Dr. Raja Roy Chaudhary, Director, Dr. DYB School. Mrs. Arora, the proud parents, teaching, non-teaching staff, and my dear enthusiastic students over here. It gives me immense pleasure to be with you here today on this proud moment for the 6th convocation ceremony of PGDM batch 2023-25 of our D.Y. Patil B School, Pimpri, Pune. Our today's chief guest, Mr. Ashish Vidyarthi ji, a renowned actor and motivational speaker. He once said, "The moment you take responsibility for your life, you become your own master." These words resonate deeply with all of us, especially with the students who have graduated and are taking their steps towards shaping their lives. From his early days, as a struggling actor to his current status as a celebrated performer, he has demonstrated that success is not just about a talent, but more about dedication and passion. Sir, we are really thankful for sharing your valuable time at DYP DPU. As we celebrate the achievements of our graduates today, we are privileged to have with us Dr. Raj Singh, Vice Chancellor of Bennett University. Sir, your journey from serving in the Indian Air Force to leading universities is an inspiration to the society, for it is a journey driven by academic excellence and innovation. We are proud to have you here and appreciate your presence amongst us. Dear students, you have graduated from an institution built on a strong foundation laid by my dear father, Dr. D.Y. Patil ji, way back in 1984, and strengthened by our Chancellor, Dr. P.D. Patil sir. This legacy is carried forward with the same zeal and passion by Dr. Somnath Patil, Dr. Smita Jadhav, and Dr. Yashraj Patil. Dr. P.D. Patil sir has tirelessly worked 18 to 20 hours a day for the last 3 decades to transform what was a barren land into this towering university that you see here today. The 32 institutions with 43,000 students in campus and 52,000 students online annually are under the DPU umbrella. And this was carved by Dr. D.Y. Patil sir's far-sighted vision. The infrastructure was futuristic, the planning meticulous, and execution flawless. This ensured that the best is available for our students. This momentum is sustained and accelerated by Dr. Somnath Patil. Dr. Somnath Patil has been serving as the secretary of Dr. D.Y. Patil Unitech Society and is the founder and pro-chancellor of Nyan Prasad Global University. He is also the founder and director of the DPU Unitech Foundation, a Section 8 company. Mostly, I would really proudly like to add that he was elected as a Senate and Management Council member of Savitribai Phule Pune University, representing Pune, Nasik, and Ahilyanagar in 2017. With a strong academic foundation, including a PhD in General Management and MBA from Regis University, USA in 2009, Dr. Somnath Patil has empowered students to innovate, lead, and serve. His student-centric approach has transformed lives and shaped future leaders. Through the DPU Unitech Foundation, he has supported over 25 startups across sectors such as health tech, agri and allied, dairy and animal husbandry, IT and SaaS, food processing, providing structured incubation and mentoring support, engaging more than 1,000 students and faculty through 60+ innovation programs. Yes. I would also like to acknowledge Dr. Rohini Patil, whose support and dedication plays a vital role in shaping this institution. I would also like to take a moment to sincerely acknowledge and appreciate our dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff. The success of our graduating students has been possible because of their constant guidance, hard work, and unwavering support. Teachers shape minds and futures, while non-teaching staff ensures that the entire system functions smoothly and efficiently. Together, they create the foundation of which our students grow, learn, and succeed. Today, every graduate standing here is a reflection of their dedication and commitment. I therefore request a very big round of applause for our dynamic teaching and non-teaching staff. Heartiest congratulations to all our graduating PGDM students. From today, you all are proud ambassadors of the university. Students, the world you are entering today demands more than just technical expertise. It demands ethical leadership, emotional intelligence, adaptability, and courage. When you face the moments of doubt, remember the values of this institute has instilled in you: discipline, dedication, determination, and devotion. Strengthen your faith. Have a dialogue with your own internal energy, and then you will find that fulfillment is spontaneous. Believe in yourself. Through believing in yourself comes wisdom, and through trusting yourself comes self-understanding. Through self-understanding comes a greater manifestation of your higher powers. Within your own heartbeat, find a synchronicity of thought and action. Great leaders have great faith at physical level, at mental level, and also at spiritual level too. Remember, students, remember your parents, their sacrifices, their blessings, and their silent prayers that have made this moment possible for you all. Remain indebted to them for your progress. Students, you all have graduated today, so please remember, and I would like to repeat a mantra. Please repeat a mantra after me, because parents have really worked hard to have this graduation for you all. Matru Devo Bhava. Pitru Devo Bhava. Repeat once again. Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava. Yes, when we look at you today, we see you as future CEOs, entrepreneurs, innovators, and nation builders who will shape organizations, communities, and the future of India. As I conclude, I share with you a powerful mantra: Yam yam chintayete kamam, tam tam prapnoti nishchitam, which means whatever you sincerely manifest and focus with devotion, dedication, and determination, you will surely achieve. Students, dream big, act with courage, lead with values, and stay connected with your roots when you fly high. I wish you every success in your life. God bless you, and thank you so much.
We extend our heartfelt appreciation and thank you for delivering such an inspiring address, ma'am. हम आपके मार्गदर्शन और शिक्षा के प्रति आपके समर्पण के लिए अत्यंत आभारी हैं। आपके विचार हमें आगे बढ़ने, बेहतर सोचने और समाज के प्रति अपने दायित्वों को समझने की प्रेरणा देते हैं। Thank you so much, ma'am.
Our guest of honor, Dr. Raj Singh, Vice Chancellor, Bennett University, is among India's most respected academic leaders. Sir's professional journey is uniquely distinguished by an early and formative career in Indian Air Force, where Sir served from 1981 to 1994. This phase of Sir's life instilled in him a deep sense of leadership, operational excellence, and national service, values that continue to shape Sir's approach to higher education. With over 4 decades of professional experience, including more than 15 years as Vice Chancellor, he has led several prominent universities across the country. A scholar of economics and strategic finance, a TEDx speaker, a nationally recognized authority on national education policy implementation, Dr. Singh has consistently worked to align education with research, industry collaboration, and global benchmarks. I kindly request the technical team to play the audiovisual presentation for the introduction of our guest.
Ladies and gentlemen, some leaders manage institutions, others transform them, and a rare few reimagine the future of education. Today, we welcome one such visionary. Dr. Raj Singh is the Vice Chancellor of Bennett University, located in Greater Noida, at the heart of the National Capital Region. With over 4 decades of professional experience and more than 15 years as Vice Chancellor, he has led some of India's most respected universities, including Jain deemed to be University, Amity University across Jaipur, Gwalior and Noida, and GD Goenka University, Gurgaon. A former officer of the Indian Air Force, Dr. Singh brings strategic precision, discipline, and vision to academic leadership. A TEDx speaker, scholar of strategic finance, and a passionate advocate of the national education policy, he is widely recognized for building pioneering university models where research meets practice, classrooms become marketplace experience labs, and education aligns with global priorities, including the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Beyond the campus, his influence is national and global. He has trained over 6,000 educators, delivered keynote addresses at 100+ conferences, chaired expert committees of NAC and NBA, served on key government and accreditation bodies, and represented India at the International Design Summit in Milan. Honored with multiple leadership awards, including the Peter Drucker Memorial Award and the LOSD Excellence Award for Educational Governance, Dr. Singh continues to shape institutions and inspire generations.
Sir, your presence adds immense academic gravitas to this convocation. We invite you to address the gathering.
Most respected Madam Bhagyashree Patel ma'am, our chief guest Mr. Ashish Vidyarthi, nice to see you face to face, otherwise we'll be seeing on the screen only. Dr. Somnath Patel, Madam Rohini Patel, Dr. Mohan Vaman Saab, Dr. Raja Roy Chaudhary, all the distinguished guests, faculty members, parents, grandparents, guardians, and brilliant graduates of class of 2025. In the beginning, we saw a symphony of instruments in the music presentation here, and I realized that this is what education should be, a symphony of disciplines. Somewhere down the line, we sliced education into watertight compartments of disciplines and lost the very essence which was presented by the remarkable presentation right in the beginning of the ceremony. Friends, before I start, I thank the management and the director for inviting me to this solemn occasion of the 6th convocation of Dr. D.Y. Patil Business School. Before you stands a person who was born in a small farmer's family in the state of Haryana. We saw electricity for the first time in our village when it's class 9th. Saw a newspaper from a distance when I entered class 10th. Touched it when I entered class 11, that is pre-university, and actually read it for the first time when I joined in Air Force at the age of 16 and a half in 1981. And rest, of course, a history. I often say, having joined Air Force and being there for almost 14 years, and total about 45 years now, I've largely learned from the lab called life. Friends, as you enter the corporate world, as was pointed out by most of the speakers, it's end of your formal education, but beginning of another cycle of another phase of learning, which of course has to be continuous and doesn't come to an end at all. You're entering this life at a time when you're passing through a very interesting phase as far as the nation is concerned. We are having opportunities galore, but at the same time also a host of challenges as we move forward. We're at a time when the entire global South is looking at India for leadership, and the entire global North is looking for collaboration and support. Today, we are at a situation where almost every solution to a problem either comes from India or is expected from India. You could not have thought of better times to step into the corporate life as it is today. India is the place to be. Having said this, many achievements, as late as, I think it was day before yesterday, we set a new milestone in space exploration or space capabilities. We have also seen how one of the unique economic infrastructure created by the Government of India, UPI, is being used by multiple countries, and very, very robust system we have seen being developed. I can go on narrating these because almost every field today, every walk of life, India has set new benchmarks. Higher education is no exception. We have seen, we've come to a stage where post-COVID, we're challenged in terms of the way education is delivered. We had online education, we had MOOCs, we had learning management systems. That was only the way of delivery of education which was changed. But today, we are facing the risk of the very part to award degrees and credentials being questioned. Because today, when we sit down to see the answers, we do not know who is writing it, whether the student or the machine, and we don't have any answers. Leading business schools, leading universities in the world are facing this challenge. And therefore, the question before us is, what kind of education system we should have? And particularly you who are stepping into a new phase of life, if you have spent your time well, and I'm sure you have spent, you will stand tall among your contemporaries. And you have the responsibility of taking the reputation of this institution, which is said it's brought to the institution by management and faculty members, but it's the responsibility of alumni and students to nurture it and carry it forward. Today, you're entering an unwritten, unsigned contract between you and the institution to carry this reputation higher and higher. Friends, being the convocation and I being a teacher can't stop the temptation of giving last few lessons. Whatever I have learned, I'll mention only 2-3 things which I've observed, I've inculcated, and found them extremely useful. As I said, my formal learning has not been as good as all of yours, but perhaps the lab called life has taught me lessons which I would like to share with you. And of course, whatever I learned from the seniors and elders, the traditional wisdom, and of course, individual hard work. And the first thing I would like to mention is that never in life blame something which you do not have. We often say, I could have done this if I had this thing at my disposal. I could have done this if this was my background. I quote one of the greatest Olympians of all times, Arthur Ashe. You know, he lived from 1943 to 1993. Less than 50 years of age, he passed away. And the only black who had the distinction of winning 3 Grand Slams. And before that, of course, the distinction of being selected, being a black, into the Davis Cup. He said, to achieve greatness, start where you are, use what you have, but most importantly, he said, do what you can. And do what you can is something in our hands. Don't look back, use whatever you have, whatever you gain, but do what you can, give your best. I personally have tested this mantra all my life. I read this sometimes in 1994. As a student, I was there. And of course, one of my bosses told me early enough in my first job in academics, which was after the Indian Air Force, and he said, the only way you can substitute the experience is to read more than anybody else, work harder than other people. And that's what I try to do in my own humble way, and has been extremely, extremely useful. If you do that, you start rethinking your opinions, you start rethinking your major decisions which are made in life, and that gives you the emotional and intellectual muscle which can make you take on challenges of life. The second learning which I would like to mention to the graduating batch is, we may not do everything ourselves, but we can do one thing that we know the best, And let me quote from the famous The Lord of Rings. I quote, it's not our part to master all the tides of the world, but to do what is in us for the succor of those years wherein we are set, uprooting the evils in the fields that we know, so that those who live after may have clean earth to till. I unquote. In my mandated areas of responsibility in all my jobs, I tried to surpass the expected. I tried to put passion before expertise or the raw intelligence and imbibe the lines from the film Serendipity. Please pardon me, Ashish ji, let me quote these closing lines of this film Serendipity, where it's more of a monologue. It said, the Romans did not write obituaries. They simply asked one question, did he have passion? If answer was yes, people remembered, otherwise they didn't remember. So the passion is something which drives you. Passion is something which makes you be remembered by the people. And finally, third thing is humility and civility. Friends, you will be on your way up. You will be seeing great sights. You will join the high flyers who soar to great heights. But remember what Martin Luther King said. And Martin Luther King is someone who is most admired, 1929 to 1968. You would know that he's the one who quotes Mahatma Gandhi, from whom he learned non-violent ways of civil rights being promoted. And he's the one who got Nobel Prize, but Mahatma Gandhi never got it, even though he was nominated 5 times for the same thing. I quote Martin Luther King. He said, make a career of humility, commit yourself to the noble paths. You will make a better person of yourself, a greater nation of your country, and a finer world to live in. I unquote. Humility and civility, friends, does not cost anything but has great value, phenomenal value, I would say. It wins us friends and well-wishers in the ways nothing else can. And therefore, I think being humble and having the civility makes us bow down, makes us learn from everyone you come in contact with. In fact, one of my greatest teachers has been the students. I remember it was 2007 or 8, one student who had come for admission, like the crowd, we used to interact with them. And I said, one thought which has influenced the most, if you can share with everybody here. And one girl, I don't remember whether she passed out or not, got admission or not, she said, sir, a failure can be forgiven, but aiming low is a crime. She said, if you aim 100, you can reach 80, but if you aim only 40, you can never reach 80. Such a great philosophy, simple and compelling philosophy. We have learned so many things from anybody you come in contact with. Having said this, a special word to all the ladies who are graduating today and all the mothers and grandmothers and the relatives you have in your family. And I say this, as I remember my great mother, my amazing wife, my 2 caring sisters, 2 lovely daughters, and a beautiful daughter-in-law, dedicated to them. Never let the perceived weakness of women stop you, as you gracefully accept how nature has made us little different. When I say this little difference, we need to understand the reality. And this reality lies somewhere between what H.G. Wells said in 1899 in his novel, The Sleeper Awakes, and the most modern view of women, where we say we are not different. We are different because nature has made us different. And therefore, understand the reality, but at the same time, prove that you are more courageous than anybody else. And while doing so, realize that sometimes a bit of madness proves useful. Remember that you make the better, the worthier, and the stronger part of our world. Never, never forget this. I once again thank the management of D.A. Patil Business School for having me this afternoon, and congratulate each one of you, all the parents, grandparents, and guardians on this momentous occasion. Students, remember, while you take the flag of the institution high, but also try your best to fulfill the dreams of your parents. Remember, parents dream sometimes before you are even born. Never, never let them down. Madam has said what rightly said. 2 things you must remember. 1, undaunted faith in God, whichever God you believe in, and respect for the elders. Remember, it's the teachers and parents only who want their wards and children
to be more successful than them. They are the ones who always feel, otherwise nobody else feels happy. Remember this and move forward in life. I wish you all the best. May God give you all the success and happiness. God bless. Thank you.
We are grateful, sir, for sharing such a remarkable and insightful message that will leave a lasting impression on all of us present here today.
कला, करिश्मा और निरंतर नवाचार, ये तीन शब्द हमारे मुख्य अतिथि के व्यक्तित्व को अत्यंत सटीक रूप से परिभाषित करते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest this afternoon is a distinguished personality whose journey is a living testament to creativity, resilience, and the rare ability to reinvent oneself with grace and purpose. Mr. Ashish Vidyarthi is celebrated as one of the Indian cinema's most powerful and versatile actors, an artist who has brought depth, intensity, and authenticity to every role he has portrayed across languages and generations. Yet his influence extends far beyond the realm of cinema. Off the screen, he has evolved into an inspiring storyteller, a thoughtful leadership mentor, and a passionate seeker of meaning in both personal and professional life. Through his conversations and engagements, he captivates audiences with insights on purpose, adaptability, emotional intelligence, and conscious growth. Ideas that resonate profoundly with today's young professionals as they navigate an ever-changing and demanding world. It is indeed a privilege to have with us today a personality who exemplifies excellence, evolution, and enduring relevance. I kindly request the technical team to play the audiovisual presentation for the introduction of our guest.
In the vast universe of Indian cinema, where stardom often shines briefly, there are a few artists whose presence echoes beyond time. Ashish Vidyarthi is one such name. Born in the coastal town of Talacheri and raised across the many cultural landscapes of India, his life was shaped by movement, observation, and change. From an early age, he learned to watch people, to understand their silences and their powers. These observations would later become his greatest strength. At the National School of Drama, he did not chase fame, he chased the truth. There, discipline met passion and performance became purpose. Then came 1994, Drokal, a role that did not merely introduce an actor, it announced an arrival. His performance was raw, unsettling, unforgettable. The National Film Award followed, but more importantly, so did respect. What came next was a career built across borders and languages: Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Bengali, Oriya, where each industry welcomed him and each role demanded something new. Often cast as men of authority, villains, or figures of moral conflict, Ashish Vidyarthi brought depth where others brought noise. His characters, they were human. A raised eyebrow, a measured pause, a voice that could chill, command, or console. In a time where many fade quietly, Ashish Vidyarthi reinvented himself once again. As a digital creator, a traveler, a storyteller of everyday life, sharing food, journeys, failure, and wisdom, not as a star, but as a fellow traveler. His story reminds us that growth has no final act, that passion does not retire, that reinvention is an art in itself. Ashish Vidyarthi is not just an actor who played many roles. He is a man who lived them, and his journey continues to unfold one story at a time.
Ladies and gentlemen, the wait is over. Sir, we are honored by your presence and I respectfully invite you to address the gathering.
Namaskar. Wonderful. Can we have the first slide? Can we just shut this off and don't bring it back? Shut this off completely. Yeah, and bring it to the first slide. It's not the first slide. All right. Swapnil, can we just solve this? इसको switch off कर दीजिए. Switch off कर दीजिए. So we have begun. We have begun to let you know in life things don't happen according to plan. Hello. बहुत serious हो रहे हो तुम लोग, हाँ? Just because convocation is इसका मतलब ये नहीं. Can we get this switched off? All right. No, they have just kind of right. All right. So fantastic. So here we are. All right. So there is a conflict right now. Okay, there's a conflict. I told them to switch that off. They switched my light off. कैसे चलेगा भाई? मैं दिखेगा नहीं. Oh no, now it's working. Everything is working, sir. And just to let you know, ये deliberately किया गया है ताकि आपको पता चले कि जिंदगी में ऐसा होता है. ऐसा मत सोचिए गड़बड़ था. Remember, it's your convocation, so very happy to be here. An esteemed set of people here. I want to thank each one of you for this opportunity. I want to thank each one of you for the contribution जो आपने किया है अपनी जिंदगी में. और आज आपके सम्मुख इतने बढ़िया बच्चे हैं यहाँ पर, उनके माता पिता हैं. आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत. एक बार हार्दिक स्वागत आप सबका. वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल. मैं जिस आप लोगों से परमिशन लेना चाहूंगा कि मैं आप लोगों के सामने चल के बात करूंगा. मैं पीठ पीछे मतलब मैं इनको कह रहा हूं पीठ पीछे बात मत करिएगा. So just excuse me, मैं आपकी तरफ पीठ करके बात करूंगा. Yes. तो स्वागत है बंधु. Today is a big day. All right. Graduation. Graduation के बारे में एक मजाक आपको बता दूं कि हम लोग दिल्ली में या ऑल ओवर द कंट्री इन इंडिया हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, आज मैं पास आउट हुआ. करेक्ट. तो मैं कुछ साल पहले यूएस गया था मेरे दोस्त बी मुरली के पास, जिनकी फोटोग्राफ अभी आपने देखी थी. मेरे साथ खड़े हुए थे पतले से, मैं तब भी थोड़ा हैवी था. तो मुरली के घर में गया और ऑन माय 50th बर्थडे आई वाज स्पेंडिंग विद हिम अमेरिका में. और मैंने कहा कि मैं आज बहुत टच्ड हूँ कि मैं मुरली के साथ यहाँ पर हूँ. मुझे याद है 86 में वी हैड पास्ड आउट ऑफ कॉलेज. एकदम साइलेंस आया. उसका मुरली ने कहा, आशीष वी कॉल इट ग्रेजुएशन हियर, पास आउट मीन समथिंग एल्स. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दैट यू आर ग्रेजुएटिंग टुडे. दिस इज अ बिग डे. जैसे हर एक स्पीकर ने कहा, इट्स अ कल्मिनेशन ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स माय फ्रेंड. बट एक चीज आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. टुडे इज एक तरह से एक शुरुआत हो गई है इस चीज की. Would you agree? Yes or yes? Okay. But it's not just your dream. आपके माता पिता भी यहां पर हैं. Yes or yes? तो कहीं ना कहीं आपके साथ साथ उनको भी पढ़ना है कि fulfilling of my dreams. क्योंकि जिस तरह से आपके कुछ सपने हैं, उनके कुछ सपने हैं, लेकिन इन शब्दों के दो अर्थ हैं. एक है कि इसमें देखिए लिखा नहीं है फुलफिल्ड. फुलफिल्ड नहीं है. ये एक जर्नी की शुरुआत है. इट्स अ बिगिनिंग ऑफ अ जर्नी विच इज इन सर्विस ऑफ यू फुलफिलिंग whose dreams? Exactly. And I want to share something very, very critical for you. देखिए, हमारे माँ बाप हमसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. मैं तब समझा जब मेरा एक बेटा हुआ, है ना. ठीक है ना, मैं अपने माता पिता ठीक है ना, मैं कर लूंगा. अब मैं उसको कहता हूँ स्टॉप बिहेविंग लाइक मी. तो एक बात फैक्ट है कि माँ बाप सचमुच बहुत चिंता करते हैं, बहुत प्यार करते हैं. लेकिन मैं आपको एक और बात बताना चाहता हूं जो मैं अब समझा हूं. माँ बाप बहुत प्यार करते हैं, बहुत चिंता करते हैं, लेकिन आपके सपनों को आपको ही फुलफिल करना है. Are you getting a sense of it? So the game is yours, my friend. क्योंकि आपके माता पिता आपको यहां तक ले आ पाए. Beyond this, the game is yours. All right? And therefore, this conversation that I'm having with you is that you get that your life is in service of fulfilling whose dreams? And if that is so, then you don't need an alarm. आपको अलार्म की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि आप अपने सपने के लिए काम कर रहे हो, किसी और के लिए नहीं. You get that? And one of the key things is that as you're fulfilling your dreams, आप सबसे ज्यादा खुशी देंगे अपने माता पिता को. आप सबसे ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे इस देश को और पूरे वर्ल्ड को. और इसके साथ जब मैं शुरू करता हूं तो मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूं, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ड्रीम. देखिए, मैं 60 वर्ष का हूं एंड आई कीप ऑन ड्रीमिंग. आई रियली ड्रीम. और मैं ड्रीम करता हूं, उसके बाद पूरा दिन पता है मैं क्या करता हूं? आई एम फाइंडिंग वेज टू फुलफिल माई ड्रीम. क्योंकि अगर वो सपना है जो सचमुच बड़ा सपना है ना, तो आप पाएंगे बड़ा मुश्किल है पूरा करना. वुड यू अग्री? यस और यस? सो द गेम इज टू बी एन एक्सप्लोरर हु ड्रीम्स बिग. और देन पूरा दिन लगा रहता हूं मैं कि अब मैं इसको किस तरह से पूरा करूं. एंड देयरफॉर आई एम एक्साइटेड अबाउट द डे. रिमेंबर राज सिंह सर ने क्या बोला? टू हैव दैट पैशन. When you're excited, you're passionate about your day. It is not like चल रहा है यार, कट रही है जिंदगी यार, अब तो बहुत रूटीन है. Hello. Never disrespect your life, my friend. And one way of respecting your life is to live your life with passion. क्योंकि passion is for free. Passion आपके अंदर से आता है जो आपको कहेगा कि आप देंगे वो जरा सा और जो जरूरत है जिंदगी की आपसे. Are you getting a sense of it? Yes or yes? So the game, किसका गेम है? हमारा नहीं, बोलो मेरा. किसका? You know why? हमारे से मुझे प्रॉब्लम है. You know मैम, हमारे से मुझे प्रॉब्लम है. हम कर रहे हैं मैम, मैं आता हूं. मैं कर रहा हूं, मैं कर रही हूं. It's my responsibility. An extraordinary set of eyes make a phenomenal we. So you are now set out to fulfilling ways to fulfill your dream. Now tell me honestly, कई चीजें हैं ना आपकी जिंदगी में जिसको आप बदलना चाहते हैं? यस और यस? आपके हाथ में है वो. क्योंकि दैट फ्यूचर दैट यू विश टू क्रिएट, दैट ड्रीम दैट यू विश टू क्रिएट, मैं बता रहा हूं इसी वक्त इट इज पॉसिबल. ओनली इफ यू आर पैशनेट यू विल गेट इट. एंड देयरफॉर दिस इज द गेम. नाउ व्हाई डू आई पुट इट दिस वे? अगर आप किसी से भी पूछें कि भाई तेरे पास क्या सब है, हम लोग कंप्लेन करने लगते हैं, आई डोंट हैव दिस, आई डोंट हैव दिस. उसके पास देखो सब कुछ है, उसके पास है सब कुछ, इसलिए वो कर पाई. नाउ द गेम इन लाइफ व्हाट आई हैव डिस्कवर्ड इज, कैन वी रीड दिस टुगेदर? 1 2 3. व्हाट डू आई? बिकॉज मेरे पास क्या है उसके साथ क्या आप अमेजिंग कर सकते हैं. So this is a life in which you are not complaining. आप complain नहीं कर रहे मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास वो नहीं है. You are in fact making the most out of what you have. Now in this entire journey जिसकी वजह से आप इस यूनिवर्सिटी में भी आए थे, it is of gathering expertise. क्योंकि दुनिया में अगर आपको कुछ कमाल करना है ना, then you really need to be an expert. You need to be really good at things. तो इसलिए वो एक्सपर्टीज गैदर करने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपकी है. इनफैक्ट अब जब आप बाहर जा रहे हैं, देयर विल बी नो टीचर्स टू रिमाइंड यू असाइनमेंट पूरा किया कि नहीं. एक्चुअली यू हैव टू गेट समथिंग वेरी क्लियरली. यहां पे पुणे में सबसे क्राउडेड रोड कौन सा है? FC रोड, करेक्ट ना? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. टेल मी ऑनेस्टली, अजय अब दिल की बात करना, सीरियसली बताना, लाइफ में कंप्लेंट्स हैं कि नहीं? थैंक यू सो मच. अब ट्राई करना FC रोड पे जाके अपनी कंप्लेन वहां पे जाके करके देखना. आते जाते ट्रैफिक जो जा रही है सब कंप्लेन करता है, मेरी प्रॉब्लम है. कोई सुनेगा क्या? वेलकम टू लाइफ. पीपल एंड द वर्ल्ड आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन योर प्रॉब्लम्स. किसी को कोई पड़ी नहीं है भाई. जल्दी से बताओ, नारू सक्सेना को जानते हो? यार नौरू सक्सेना को जानते हो कि नहीं? देखो यार, सच हार्टलेस पीपल. कितने प्रॉब्लमेटिक क्रिकेटर है वो. पता है उसकी मदर कहती है कि ही इज द वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट क्रिकेटर. तुमने नाम सुना है क्या? विराट कोहली का नाम सुना है? अरे बाप रे, ऐसे करके चिल्लाई जैसे आपके साथ पड़ा है. तो देखो, नौरू सक्सेना की मदर कहती हैं कि वो अच्छा क्रिकेटर नहीं बन पाया क्योंकि उसको मौका नहीं मिला, पिचेस ठीक नहीं थे, हाँ, बॉल ज्यादा तेज आती थी. लेकिन विराट कोहली की मदर को उसके बारे में कुछ कहना पड़ता है क्या? नहीं. द गेम इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल. The world is not going to be listening to your stories. The world is only going to listen to your expertise. How good are you at your work, at whatever that you're doing? And therefore, my cue is I am the learner. मैं हर रोज सुबह दोपहर शाम मैं सिर्फ सीख रहा हूं क्योंकि मेरा गेम सिर्फ एक है. I don't have any time to discuss anybody else. मुझे ना किसी की तरक्की से कुछ बात करनी है, ना किसी की असफलता की कुछ बात करनी है. मैं लगा पड़ा हूं पैशनेटली अबाउट वन पर्सन. हु इज दैट? ME. Who is that? Exactly. Because I want you to get, if you are an extraordinary me, then you can make a difference to others. किसी और को डिस्कस करने में, गॉसिप करने में बोरिंग, कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. ऑन द अदर हैंड 5 लोग इकट्ठा होकर एक दूसरे के सपनों को पूरा करना है, एक दूसरे के एक्सपर्टीज को नेक्स्ट लेवल पर ले जाओ. एंड दैट इज व्हेन यू विल रियली डिस्कवर, माय फ्रेंड, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन, दैट दिस इज एन चेंजिंग वर्ल्ड. वुड यू एग्री? है ना? एवर चेंजिंग वर्ल्ड. अ क्विक क्वेश्चन, इस एवर चेंजिंग वर्ल्ड में कौन काम कर सकता है? ओनली द इनोवेटर. एक बात याद रखिए, कुछ भी फिक्स नहीं है. जो आपने अभी पढ़ा है, डिड यू हैव अ सिलेबस? यस और यस? लाइफ का कोई सिलेबस नहीं है. लाइफ इज गोइंग टू इनवाइट यू टू इनोवेट विद एवरीथिंग दैट यू नो. जो आपने सीखा वो मत सोचिए हमें तो सिखाया नहीं. हेलो, ये जगह आपको कुछ चीजें सिखाने के लिए नहीं है. ये जगह है कि आपके अंदर वो जिज्ञासु दिमाग तैयार करने के लिए, so that you are continuously innovating with the new problems that the world throws at you. Now here is मतलब मैं एक हेल्थ चेक करता हूं during my talk. Anybody feeling giddy? किसी को चक्कर तो नहीं आ रहा ना? Very good. बड़ी अजीब बात है, हम लोग इस वर्ल्ड में घूम रहे हैं, इस अर्थ में जो इतनी जोर से it's like moving, और आपको चक्कर नहीं आ रहा. क्यों नहीं आ रहा? क्योंकि आप खुद, you yourself are moving along with it. Yes or yes? So please get it. अगर आपको लगता है ना, अरे यार दुनिया कितनी बदल रही है, सब कुछ कितना तेज बदल रहा है, that means you are not keeping pace. At this point, please get it, my friend. The world is going to change. The world is going to change quick, fast. पता है कौन चेंज करा रहा है उस वर्ल्ड को? कौन? People, yes or yes? I want you to be one of them. मैं चाहता हूं कि आप उस इनोवेशन, आप उस चेंज का के क्रिएटर बने, rather than commenting कितना बदल रहा है. अरे हटा सावन की हटा. अगेन मैंने कहा किसी और की बात ना करें. You become that person जो कुछ नया कर रहा है. और दोस्त, मैं आपको एक बात बता देना चाहता हूं. आप लोग इस अंधेरे ऑडिटोरियम में जो बैठे हैं, आपका नाम कोई नहीं जानता. I know it. But who knows? आप या आपके साथ वाला कुछ खास करेगा. I want you to have that passion and belief in yourself, क्योंकि this is your cue. आप फिक्स नहीं हैं. देखिए, मैं दिल्ली से जब बंबई आया था, तब मुंबई नाम नहीं था, बंबई नाम था. मैं आया था एक अभिनेता बनने. I had done my National School of Drama. Before that, I had studied history at the Hindu College. और जब मैं यहाँ पर आया था, I came here to become a Hindi film actor. 30 फिल्में करने के बाद I went down south. और उसके बाद आज जो मैं आपके सामने खड़ा हूँ, just to let you know, I have done 350 plus films. Thank you so much. और more importantly, ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ आपको बताना ये है कि मैं 11 भाषाओं में मरा हूँ. क्या बताऊं, 99% of the films I'm a villain. और आप जैसे लोगों को खुश करने के लिए पहले पीटते हैं मुझे और फिर मारते हैं। इनफैक्ट कोई मुझे पूछता है कि कैसे हुआ, मैं बीच बीच में बोल देता हूं मर मर के जी रहा हूं। And I'm not complaining. I get paid to die. And now, over the last 15 years, other than being an actor across 11 languages, over the last 15 years, I go and speak with organizations and sets of people across the world. And do you know what? This is that evolving human being. मैं fixed नहीं हूँ। 4 साल पहले I discovered social media. I started exploring myself on social media. Today I've got, just to let you know, 9 million subscribers. Across Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, talk about it. और उसमें भी मेरे अलग अलग रोल्स हैं। कहीं पर मैं मोटिवेशनल टॉक्स दे रहा होता हूं, कहीं पर मैं खाना खाते हुए, किसी ने देखा है मुझे खाना खाते हुए? वो बंदा काफी मेरे जैसा दिखता है ना, यही बताता हूं जब मैं सीनियर्स के साथ होता हूं। तो कहीं मैं सोशल मीडिया पे खाना खाते हुए दिखूंगा, कहीं मोटिवेशनल टॉक देते हुए दिखूंगा, कहीं पर लोगों से की कहानियां आप तक पहुंचाते हुए दिखूंगा, कहीं कहीं स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी करता हुआ दिखूंगा, कहीं कहीं मैं स्टोरी टेलिंग करता हुआ दिखूंगा। Now, why am I doing so many things? Because I am very, very clear about this. क्या लिखा है? क्योंकि वर्ल्ड इवॉल्व हो रही है, उस वर्ल्ड के न्यू वांट्स हैं। Are you getting it? Anybody using digital payment systems here? Wow, क्या बात है। कुछ साल पहले ये नहीं था, बट अब आपकी डिमांड पर उन लोगों ने देना शुरू किया। So you to get that the world will create new wants जिसकी इस समय जरूरत नहीं है, and your game is very simple. You have to find new ways to add value. Now हम लोग ये नहीं कहेंगे हमने तो ये सीखा नहीं था। The idea is आप उस सीख से क्या बनाओगे? That is up to you, my friend. And therefore, since I love food, I want to let you know one thing. हम और आप, हम लोग सब, हम लोग दरअसल शेफ हैं। हम लोग शेफ हैं, लेकिन इस शेफ की खासियत है कि ये कई रेसिपीज बना सकता है। सालों पहले मैंने ना टाटा स्टील का एक एड देखा था। Anybody recalls a very interesting line that Tata Steel used to have? Anybody remembers? Anybody? Okay, let me tell you before you Google and tell me. हम इस्पात भी बनाते हैं। टाटा स्टील का इंग्लिश लाइन था, we also make steel. Now that was very inspiring for me. Imagine a company which says, my name is Tata Steel. And what does it say? We also make steel. And I said, wow, that means मेरे कई रूप हो सकते हैं। और तब मैंने समझा कि यार मैं अभिनेता ही हूं से कैसा रहेगा मैं अभिनेता भी हूं। And that is when I could explore my facets. So now you are getting an extraordinary opportunity, my friend, from day after tomorrow as you step into the world. आप अपने आप को, अपने facets को explore करिए, क्योंकि दुनिया में आपको दिखेगा कि आपने जो सीखा है ना, उसका कोई variation दुनिया को चाहिए. Create that. Because when you get that you are one chef, many recipes, that is when you learn this art. Can we read this together? 1, 2, 3. That is the art. The art is not to be valuable just till yaar 20 saal. Nahin. See, I'll tell you something. Let me admit to it. I'm 60. I am hungry. I'm learning. And I'm on fire. और क्योंकि मेरे अंदर भूख है, मैं जिज्ञासी हूं, मेरे अंदर वो आग है कि मैं कुछ खास करूंगा हर रोज. That is why I am staying relevant and valuable. अब उसका मैं आपको एक दृष्टिकोण दिखाता हूं. आज से 2 दिन पहले मैं शूट कर रहा था एक फिल्म की. 1 दिन बाद मैंने शूट किया एक एड फिल्म का. उसके बाद मैं शूट कर रहा था किसी का पॉडकास्ट, एक सोशल मीडिया पर कुछ किया रील बना रहा था. आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ बात कर रहा हूं. मेरी डायमेंशंस हैं और हर रोज मेरा किसी और डायमेंशन, I kind of add value with some new dimension of mine. सो व्हेन यू गेट कि आपकी लंबी जिंदगी में अलग अलग चीजें दुनिया को जरूरत होंगी, अगर आप अपने उन फैसेट्स को एक्सप्लोर कर पाए, then you are not just past perfect, you are what? Can we read this together? 1, 2, 3. Continuous. You're not static. And that is why you will never complain that the world is changing. Because just as the world is changing, you will get that every new thing that is coming into this world is actually your ally. आपको पता है कि ये दुनिया जो है, ये मेरे जैसे टेक चैलेंज लोगों के लिए बनी है. आप में से अगर किसी ने anybody seen my vlogs on YouTube? से ये ओके 5 लोगों ने देखे हैं. स्वप्न सिन्हा ने 5 लोगों ने देखे मेरे vlogs. कर क्या रहा हो मेरे सोशल मीडिया टीम कर क्या रही है? So just want to let you know, all my reels, all my things, I can manage to shoot myself. You know why? Because आजकल technology is easily, it's so simple. But I needed to learn it. I needed to learn technology. So I see every new thing. जो भी नई चीज आती है वो मेरी दोस्त है, मेरे खिलाफ नहीं है. तो similarly I want you to get जो AI का हुआ है वो हुआ है, फैक्ट है. पर मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं, आपका चैलेंज AI नहीं है. आपका चैलेंज है वो लोग जो AI को अमेजिंगली यूज करेंगे. So therefore my invite is this. क्या ये आप पढ़ सकते हैं मेरे लिए? 1, 2, 3. देखो मैं तो लकी हूं, मेरे पिताजी ने मेरा नाम दिया था विद्यार्थी. I am a lifelong student and that is what I wish you, my friend, ताकि आप हर रोज ग्रेजुएशन के बाद भी DY पाटिल के इस अमेजिंग बिजनेस स्कूल से जहां पर आपने जो सब सीखा है, एक चीज हमेशा याद रखिए, टू बी अ लाइफलॉन्ग स्टूडेंट. और when you have that lifelong student होने का ताकत, and that is why I wish you, may you have an extraordinary life, fulfilling your dreams and fulfilling the dreams of your parents. और मैं आपको यकीन दिलाता हूं, आज की ये जो दोपहर है आपको याद रहेगा, क्योंकि सालों बाद जब आप हम में से किसी को कहीं पर मिलेंगे और आप कहेंगे हम उस शाम वहां पर थे और आज हमने ये खास अनोखा किया है. There'll be no one more happier than each one of us and your parents. So I really want to take this opportunity to thank Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapith. I want to thank each one of you for having created this extraordinary set of people. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबका. Have an extraordinary life और ढेर सारा प्यार आप सबको. Thank you.
Respected sir, you did not just speak, you performed life itself on this stage. जैसे आप कहते हैं, जिंदगी सिर्फ रोल्स का सिलसिला नहीं, एक continuous learning process है. And today we felt that deeply. आपने हमें सिखाया कि adaptability, passion और positivity ही real success है. सर, आपने हमें बताया पावर सिर्फ कुर्सी या रोल में नहीं होती, पावर होती है जुनून में. और जब सपने जिंदा हों तो इंसान विलन हो या हीरो अपनी जिंदगी का कंट्रोल खुद ही लिखता है. On behalf of all graduating students, thank you so much, sir, for inspiring us, for energizing us, and showing us that passion and dreams is the most powerful dialogue of all. Thank you so much.
We now arrive at one of the most solemn and defining moment of this convocation ceremony. Convocation is not merely about receiving a degree, it is about responsibility. Responsibility towards one's profession, organization, society, and the nation at large. The oath that follows is a reminder that knowledge must always be guided by ethics, integrity, and a sense of duty. I request all the graduating students to kindly rise for the oath-taking ceremony. Please put your right hand forward and repeat after me. I, the postgraduate student of Dr. D.Y. Patil B School, hereby pledge that I shall in thought, words and deed endeavor to be honest in the discharge of my duties as a management practitioner, that in all circumstances I shall uphold the dignity and integrity of my profession and the honor of my institution and the nation. I shall not allow any wrongful gain, competition or personal ambition to cloud my judgment in the conduct of my duty. Thank you, students. You may be seated.
We now proceed to one of the most significant segment of today's convocation ceremony, that is formally awarding the medals. This segment honors perseverance, discipline, and sustained commitment. It celebrates not only merit, but also the consistent effort of our students who have demonstrated that during the journey at Dr. D.Y. Patil B School. It is our privilege to acknowledge the specialization-wise academic achievers for the PGDM batch 2023-25. May I request all the dignitaries to come forward for the distribution of medal ceremony.
Silence, please.
I take pride in announcing the marketing management top rank holders. Please join us in congratulating Ms. Nikita Narsale. First rank goes to Ms. Nikita Narsale. Roll number 23129. The clapping should continue and the music too. On the second position we have Ms. Anshita Sharma, roll number 23017. A big round of applause for these girls. And the third position is pocketed by Ms. Tanisha Jain, roll number 23107. Yes, Tanisha Jain. That was the winners of marketing management specialization. Tanisha is on her way. Tanisha, be quick. Congratulations on receiving the medals. The third position is secured by Ms. Tanisha Jain. Okay. Proceeding further, continuing the celebration of merit and academic distinction. Now we move on to the top rank holders in financial management. And the first rank goes to Ms. Prachi Rajoria, roll number 23182. Prachi Rajoria, can we have you on the stage, please? The second position is secured by Ms. Mohana Mukherjee, roll number 23172. Mohana, can we have you on the stage? The third position is pocketed by Ms. Pallavi Patnaik, roll number 23179. We wish you continued excellence in all your future endeavors, my dear students. We now take pride in recognizing those students who have demonstrated outstanding performance in the subject of human resource management. The first rank goes to Ms. Bhavika Piraka, roll number 23222. On the second position, we have Ms. Kavita Umesh Tandel, roll number 23223. And third position is taken by Ms. Avantika Swami, roll number 23221. These were the human resource management top rank holders. We wish you continued excellence in all your future endeavors, my dear students. Many, many congratulations. That's Avantika Swami. receiving medal who has secured the third position in HRM. Moving forward to business analytics, the honor is formally conferred upon Mr. Dhruv Jain, first ranker, roll number 23232. Mr. Dhruv Jain. The second position goes to Mr. Vineet Padmakar Mulik, roll number 23236. And on the third position we have Manasi Mangesh Sharmakar, roll number 23233. These are the rank holders of Business Analytics Specialization. Many congratulations. Can we have a big round of applause for 2 minutes? Many congratulations to all the winners. This is the second rank holder taking the trophy and blessings. Next we have Mansi Mangesh.
These students represent academic consistency, focused efforts across their respective specializations. We congratulate each one of them on this well-deserved achievement. At this moment, it is our honor to announce the overall batch topper of the PGDM batch 2023-25. Round of applause for Nikita Narsale. Nikita Narsale on the stage.
Many congratulations, Nikita, for the commendable academic achievement. Special day for Nikita, topper of the batch. Thank you, dignitaries. Please be seated. May I now invite Honorable Dr. Bhagyashree P. Patil Ma'am, Vice President Dr. D.Y. Patil Unitech Society and Chancellor Nyan Prasad Global University to formally declare the convocation closed.
The Dr. D.Y. Patil B. School, Pimpri, the convocation is closed. Thank you.
Every successful ceremony is the result of collective effort, dedication, and goodwill. May I now invite Dr. Lokesh Arora, Controller of Examination, Dr. D.Y. Patil B. School, to propose the vote of thanks.
Honorable dignitaries on the dais, respected faculty members, distinguished guests, proud parents, and dear graduating students. On behalf of Dr. D.Y. Patil B. School, it is a great honor for me to present the vote of thanks on this special and memorable occasion of our 6th convocation ceremony. First and foremost, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our guiding lights, whose leadership and support inspire us every day. We sincerely thank Honorable Dr. Bhagyashree P. Patil Ma'am for her inspiring vision, constant encouragement, and deep commitment to quality education. Her guidance continues to motivate us to aim higher and achieve excellence. We also extend our deep gratitude to Honorable Somnath Patil Sir for his valuable guidance, strong leadership, and unwavering support, which have played an important role in the growth or success of our institution. We are truly grateful to Honorable Dr. Rohini Patil Ma'am for her thoughtful leadership, strategic direction, and continuous support that strengthen our institution. We thank Honorable Dr. Mohan Vaman Sir for inspiring our graduating students gracing this occasion and for his continued guidance and encouragement. Our sincere thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Ashish Vidyarthi, for his inspiring and meaningful address. His words have truly motivated our students as they prepare to step into the professional world. We are extremely thankful to our guest of honor, Dr. Raj Singh, for his gracious presence and encouraging message to our graduates. We express our sincere appreciation to our director, Dr. Raja Roy Chaudhary sir, for his leadership, guidance, and dedication to academic excellence. A big thank you to our faculty members who have guided our students with patience, knowledge, and care throughout their academic journey. We extend our heartfelt thanks to the parents and families for their trust, support, and encouragement. Finally, I would like to thank the organizing committee, examination team, admin staff, and student volunteers for their sincere efforts in making today's ceremony a grand success. Dear graduates, as you step into the next chapter of your lives, carry forward the values, confidence, and learning gained here. May you dream big, stay grounded, and achieve success with integrity and purpose. Thank you all once again for being part of this celebration. Thank you and best wishes to everyone. Thank you.
As we come to the close of this convocation ceremony, my dear friends, we do so with gratitude, reflection, and hope. Convocation is a moment of celebration, but also of humility, a reminder that learning is lifelong and service to society is paramount. We now conclude this ceremony with the Pasahedan, a timeless prayer seeking the welfare, harmony, and happiness of all. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukh bhavet. May I request everyone to kindly rise for the Pasahedan.
आता विश्वात्मके देवे येने भाग्यस्मे तोषावे तोषोनि मज द्यावे पसाय दान है जे खळांची व्यंकटी सांडो तया सत्कर्मी रतिवाढ भूता परस्परे पडो मैत्र जीवांचे दुरिताचे तिमिर जाओ विश्वस्वधर्म सूर्ये पाहो जो देवांशील तो देला प्राणी जात वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदी आई अनवरत भूमंडळी भेट तू भूता चला कल्पतरूंचे आरव चेतना चिंतामणींचे गाव बोलते जे अर्णव पीयूषाचे चंद्रमे जे अनांचल मार्तंड देता बहीण ते सर्वाही सदा सज्जन सोय रे हो तू किंबहुना सर्व सुखी पूर्ण होनिसिही लोकी भजितो विपुरुषी अखंडित